There comes a pivotal moment in every man's life, a moment when he gazes into the mirror and whispers, "I can't keep living like this." Not out of weakness or despair, but from the knowledge that a stronger version of himself is waiting to emerge, forged through pain, repetition, and discipline. Discipline isn't born in comfort. It's shaped in the fires we hesitate to enter. So today, I invite you on a transformative journey, a path that demands courage and a willingness to face your own darkness. 1. SELF confrontation. Discipline begins when you stop lying to yourself and take responsibility for your life. Confront your weaknesses and shatter the illusions of bad habits. Discipline thrives on brutal honesty. 2. Micro commitments. Don't try to conquer the mountain in a day. Start small. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Read 5 pages. Do 20 push-ups. Tiny victories add up to monumental change. 3. Controlled suffering. Comfort is the enemy. It dulls potential. Embrace discomfort, cold showers, tough workouts, challenging tasks. Choosing your pain makes you unbreakable. 4. Delayed reward. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, discipline means choosing long-term gain over short-term pleasure. Every time you say, "Not now," you're investing in a stronger future. 5. Environmental mastery. Your surroundings shape your discipline. Clean your space, cut distractions, and surround yourself with those who uplift you. Make discipline a lifestyle, not a battle. 6. Self-respect. You must respect yourself to be disciplined. Treat your body, time, and future with care. Every disciplined action reinforces your identity. I am someone who follows through. In the end, discipline is a gift to your future self, a promise to the person you're becoming. Every day you choose discipline, you choose a stronger life, a sharper mind, a powerful destiny. So start today. Forge yourself. Build yourself. Rise above yourself.